who is here with us today worshiping. Distinguished, you are welcome. The representative of the Speaker of the House of Representatives and members of the National Assembly who are here present, the senators and the honorable members, you are welcome. Let me also recognize the presence of our dear sister, the President of Court of Appeal, Justice Dangben Mensah. Ma, you're welcome. The Secretary to the Government of the Federation, my principal, and the wife, His Excellency Senator Dr. George Akume, CON. Sir, you're welcome. Let me also, in a special way, recognize the presence of the SCT Minister, Barrister Nyesom Wike. You're welcome, sir. Thank you so much for giving us your presence here today, sir. Let me welcome